Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're in the Gran Destino Tower at the Coronado Springs Resort in Orlando, Florida, and we're on the 12th floor, room 9248, and we're gonna do a quick little room tour. So why don't you come along with me and check it out. All right, so coming into the room, on the left side here, we've got the bathroom. And the toilet closet. We have a double vanity and a nice stand-up shower. See if I can get that all in. Here we've got a closet with a light, and you got an ironing board, extra pillow and blanket, iron, and the safe. Very nice touch. Little bench. Got two queen-size beds. Full-length mirror. Nightstand / dresser. Now, these beds come equipped with reading lights so that you can read at night. Now, I don't see any USB near the bed. Oh yeah, there we go. Here's some USB ports connected to the lamp. Over here is the thermostat unit. It's digital. I believe this has the sensor so it knows when you're in the room. And here's a little working desk and nightstand. Under here is the little mini fridge. This is the equivalent of Amazon Alexa for Disney, the Hey Disney. Here's a little chair. Check out this view from the room. So from here, I can see the entire, pretty much the entire resort. And there's a nice little lake. Out there is that cool little bar that I was telling you about. And out yonder is the pool. And here's a wide shot of the room. So very nice room, lots of space. Plenty of space for a family of four or 4 adults to comfortably hang out in here. If you have any questions, guys, please make sure you put it in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and turning notifications on so that you know whenever we release new content. That concludes the room tour, guys. We appreciate you coming to hang out with us, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, everybody.